Hello everyone, welcome back to FORnSEC Solutions. In today's video, we are going to explore XSStrike. XSStrike is a cross-site scripting detection suite equipped with four-hand written press, an intelligent payload generator, a powerful fuzzing engine, and incredibly fast crawler. Instead of injecting payloads and checking it works like all other tools do, XSStrike analyze and responds with multiple pares and then craft payloads and are generated to work by content analysis. Integrated with Fusion Engine, let's download the tool. XSStrike is a Python language based tool. It's easy to install in your Kali. You can download this tool from GitHub. We can open Firefox and type XSStrike.kit and hit enter. And click on first link, copy this link, open your terminal and type git clone and paste the link. And hit enter. Our tool has successfully installed in our Kali Linux machine. After installing the tool, you can use this command to starting this tool cd XSStrike and hit enter. We can use help menu option for getting a better understanding of the tool using this command python3 xsstrike.py-h. Let's type the command python3 xsstrike.py-h and hit enter. This is all option has been provided by XSStrike like fuzzer, timeout, proxy, crawler, path, hyphen level for selecting the level of crawling. Let's take an example. We will see first option hyphen crawl and hyphen L. Like type Python 3 access.py hyphen u for link hyphen crawler hyphen L and 3. 3 is for level 3 and hit enter. Our tool has started and tool has crawling the target and see the potential vulnerabilities in that particular site. Our result is successfully shown on our display. Next, we will see blind access option like and type blind and hit enter. Our tool is crawling the target and see the potential vulnerability in that particular link. You can use more option to explore this tool. Okay, the result has been shown. So that's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more hacking tutorials. Stay safe, stay secure.